Welcome to Honey Money, all of my sweet friends. In this tutorial, I will discuss about Bridgecoin platform. So let's get started our journey. Bridgecoin is the digital currency asset of Bridge the Mar organization. The digital asset is connected to the real estate industry and can be used to carry out transactions relating to this space. But interestingly, the asset has also found usefulness in other fields and is now chiefly referred to as a token specially designed to help you develop your lifestyle. Bridgecoin is an Ethereum-based asset that is ERC-20 compliant. It has gained so many other uses since its initial conception for the real estate industry. Bridgecoin in the tourism industry. Bridgecoin was initially used in the real estate industry but has now gained ground and acceptance in the tourism sector since they are closely related. The Bridgecoin team continue work hard to find innovative ways to improve the quality of lifestyle of Bridgecoin token holders. When real estate has achieved complete success, they have been linked to lifestyle as a virtual token for tourists, travel and wellness service. Bridgecoin is fitted for smartphone users, home decor and for health tourism purpose. Bridgecoin mobile app, BeLive. Bridge the Mar is developing an advanced mobile application that will be implemented with Bridgecoin and is the development stage that is ready for mobile application. The BeLive application is connected to the world of cryptocurrency, which is becoming a connecting tool for all its users in the ecosystem to improve their lifestyle and globally. This application will enable quick access to the user's back office and, of course, will function as a wallet, allowing the users to receive and transfer Bridgecoin to anybody via the mobile application. Aside from that, this mobile application includes a variety of interesting different and health-related features such as managing sleep and wake times or a step counter, which will inspire everyone to improve the quality of their lifestyle, which also interacting with other features in the ecosystem. BeLive app's slogan is "Win Bridgecoin in a fun way." The BeLive application is scheduled to be released in the second quarter of 2021. Join the community today and don't miss the release of BeLive application. Now I discuss about Bridgecoin token. Bridgecoin is an Ethereum blockchain-based ERC-20 token that take advantage of almost all of the Ethereum blockchain and acts as a functional token on the network. Bridgecoin tokens can be used as a payment method in various fields such as real estate, tourism, health and other physical products such as mobile phones, digital applications and home decor, etc. The Bridgecoin team is made up of an expert and experienced team who have come together to come up with a common idea and goal. Of course, this is one of the strengths of this project. I felt that this project is going to be one of the best cryptocurrency projects. Soon, this project will go to a better stage. Join the Bridgecoin community today. Thanks for watching.